So this is obviously the flatbed design. We got the headache rack here. Right here is where the air compressor is gonna go. And then we got these side rails here. Had to notch it out to fit the wheel when the truck is fully aired out. So this is the lowest point the flatbed will ever be. When the truck is turned on, the air pressure builds up, the bags inflate, and this raises up. So that's something. And then here's the rear bumper right here. We got the light holes, the lights. And then, yeah, you can see up here. This is where the tank is gonna go. So we left a large section out of the middle of the flatbed, and the seal tank is gonna go right on top of that and mount to the frame itself.